In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to unarchive a Trello list in just about 5 minutes. We'll walk through each step, ensuring you have a smooth experience and get your lists back where you need them. To get started, open your preferred web browser and head over to Trello.com. If you're already familiar with Trello, this part will be a breeze. For anyone new, Trello is a fantastic tool for organizing tasks, projects, and workflows using lists and cards. Once you're on the website, look at the upper right corner where you'll see the login button. Give it a click. Now you'll need to access your account. You have a few options here. You can log in using Google, Microsoft, Apple, or Slack if you have accounts with any of these providers. Alternatively, if you prefer, simply use your email address and password to sign in. It's all about whatever's easiest for you. After you log in, you'll find yourself in your Trello dashboard where you can see all your boards. Next up, let's open the board where you want to unarchive a list. Once you're on the correct board, navigate to the top right corner and find the three dots which open the board menu. This is the key to accessing archived items. Go ahead and click there. From the drop-down menu, look for and select Archived Items. This is where Trello stores all the lists and cards you've archived at any point. Once you've opened the Archived Items section, you'll want to switch your view to Lists. This is crucial because we specifically want to unarchive a list, not just individual cards. Find the Switch to Lists option and click on it to reveal all your archived lists. Now that you're looking at your archived lists, you'll need to locate the specific list you're wanting to bring back to the board. Take your time scrolling through your options until you find it. If you have a lot of archived lists, you might need a few minutes to find the right one. After you've pinpointed the list you'd like to unarchive, the final step is straightforward. You'll see a button that says Send to Board next to the list's name. Simply click on this button, and voila, your list is now back on your Trello board. And there you have it, your archive worries are behind you. Remember, archiving and unarchiving can keep your boards organized without losing information. I hope this tutorial has been helpful and now you can manage your Trello workspace with ease. Thanks for watching.